Welcome to the channel. My name is Khadija. I specialize in henna natural hair dyeing and Ayurvedic healthy hair care and professional henna and Jaguar body art as well. Welcome to yet another Henna Body Art Thursdays, and I'm going to tell you today how long you need to leave your henna body art design on for. For optimal results, you should leave your henna body art design on as a dry paste, as it dries on, for several hours, ideally at least 3 to 4 hours, and even better if you can just leave it on overnight and kind of ignore it and let it do its thing. Now, when it comes to removing the paste, if you had hypofix over your henna design, all you have to do is peel that away, and for the most part, all of it comes off. But what I recommend, if you haven't done that, you just have a design on and you just kind of want to take it off, you can ideally pick it off or scrape it off over a sink is a really good, or a garbage can, so that way it doesn't get everywhere. And then all you do is use something kind of moisturizing, like, maybe a little bit of oil, like olive oil or something, to gently get it off. You might need a little bit of water because it could be, a little crumbly and a little sticky a little bit. So you just want to do that so that way you can get everything off. But don't use too much water, because a lot of exposure to water could affect how dark the stain will come out. And both Jaguar paste and henna paste come off in the same way. But the exception is if you're using Jaguar gel, then you do have to use water. And that one actually only stays on for 2 hours and gives you this gorgeous blue-black stain. And Jaguar paste and henna paste, if you want to know more about those, you definitely got to check out my other Henna Body Art Thursday videos to get a little bit more details on that. And don't forget, when you first get that henna body art design, you or the artist that has done the henna for you, one who is really good, is definitely going to spray your hand with about lemon juice and sugar solution, or maybe like a sugar water solution, something to ensure that this henna that you just got done stays on the skin even longer, because it makes it a little damp and it just gets to stick really well to the skin, so that way you get a better design. And remember to keep using your henna care balm as often as needed throughout, because henna takes about 24 to 48 hours to get dark and to fully get like that rich dark tone. So just keep using the henna care balm, especially before you go in the shower and wash up, do dishes. Keep moisturizing it, because it also creates a bit more of a barrier against water, and water can cause some fading to happen quicker. And if you really want this stain to last long, the aftercare part is so important. Just moisturizing, oils, the henna care balm, just not doing anything that will kind of rub up against it, because basically the henna and the Jaguar are sitting on the layers of your skin, so the more friction that you got going on, even the more stress can cause some fading to occur, because it's about how fast are you exfoliating, and the faster you exfoliate, the faster like the henna design will fade away. I hope that answered your questions. If you have more henna and Jaguar body art questions, comment down below. This is going to be about your last chance to get a free $139 value henna and Jaguar kit that I put together for you guys to learn all about this amazing art form, and the e-course that I have for you, everything. This will be your last chance to get that for free if you sign up today for this henna and Jaguar body art course. And you know what else I added into this course? You have lifetime support in our private Facebook student group. So I got you for life. You're going to be learning constantly. Even after the 6-month course is done and you're certified, you will have support for life. So I hope you'll sign up and join me. Get that kit for free because it's ending. May 31st is the very last day. So I recommend you sign up now so you don't forget. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, because I got new videos for you every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. See you then.